and welcome to a quick tutorial video on FortiWeb Waiting Room in-queue message customization. FortiWeb's Waiting Room allows customers to manage visitor traffic and avoid server overload delays, providing a virtual holding space and queuing system, helping users understand wait times, improving user experience. Customizing the message displayed to customers while they are in the waiting room can greatly improve the user experience by keeping them informed and engaged during high traffic periods or when they need to wait for access. In this tutorial, we will use a user scenario such that when new visitors are placed in a virtual waiting room during a traffic spike, it's crucial to provide them with relevant information to keep them informed and engaged. This helps reduce the likelihood of users abandoning the queue, thereby ensuring higher retention rates. The first step is to upload a new image within the system, config replacement message, manage images, and enter a name, select the content type, and upload the image. The second step is to create a waiting room custom page by navigating to Server Objects Waiting Room and create a custom page. Make sure you enter a new custom page name. Now, this is a sample message when users are in queue.